Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, updated GPU drivers and a compatible Windows build, because live wallpapers need hardware support. Once done, install a free tool like Lively or Deskscapes. These act as substitutes for Wallpaper Engine. Next, pick a short video or GIF at 1920x 1080 and keep file size under about 50 MB to avoid slowdowns. Make sure apps run as administrator so they can control wallpaper settings and audio behavior without permission issues. Now you import the media into the app and configure playback. Set it to loop and pick fit or fill depending on your monitor. Then optimize performance. Cap frame rate to 30 frames per second and enable pause on full screen to save resources while gaming. Also, make sure audio is muted within the wallpaper or routed through the app so video sound won't conflict with system audio. Finally, position multi-monitor settings and color profiles so the wallpaper stretches or clones correctly across screens. Finish by saving your wallpaper profile and enabling the app to launch at startup. That way your live background returns after reboot. No extra steps each time. If you notice choppy playback, reduce the video resolution, swap to H.264 encoding, or lower FPS to increase stability. If the wallpaper refuses to apply, run the app as administrator, reinstall the latest Visual C++ redistributable, and then re-import the file. This fixes most permission and dependency failures, so you won't lose time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.